Hello and welcome to another grammar video lesson. Thank you for taking the time to watch this to ensure that you are a very strong technical writer and so that you can continue to improve the clarity of your writing. Today we're learning more about commas. Some of this stuff is review and some of it is new information we haven't gone over explicitly before. As I'm going over this, let's take notes. We'll go over some more examples. Then you're doing your practice. That's on the back of this handout. Tomorrow we'll have a do first practicing the skill, and then we will do an exit ticket. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the learn section. As you know, that commas signal a brief pause. We can improve the clarity of our sentence and the accuracy of our sentence by utilizing commas in a couple of different ways. So we're going to talk about 3 different ways today. Let's start with a really easy one. If you have a series of things in your sentence, whether it's a series of adjectives, it could be 2 adjectives, it could be 3 adjectives, it could be 20 adjectives, there should be commas between them. So here's an example. Hosseini writes with a disturbed, sympathetic prose style. We have a series of adjectives here. Adjective 1 is disturbed. Adjective 2 is sympathetic. So a comma needs to go between them. Let's do another example, and you can go ahead and add this to your sheet. We could say AP Lit is amazing, astonishing, wonderful, and my favorite class. So because I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 adjectives in a row, I need to put commas between each one to clarify. We can also do this with nouns. So I have The Kite Runner, A Thousand Splendid Suns, and The Mountains Echoed. These are all of Hosseini's novels, so there should be commas in between each one. Another example could be, my best friends include Lewis, Jackie, Bob, and Joe. All right, there we go. A series, need to put commas between them. Make sure you have those examples written down. Sometimes you can change the construction of a sentence and use a colon, which is really exciting. So writers can initiate or begin their lists or signal that they're going to start a list by having a colon. So Hosseini lived in 3 places. What were those 3 places? The colon tells us after Afghanistan, France, and the United States. So going back to my best friends, I could say, I have 4 best friends. Colon means they are. I forgot my best friends. Joe, Jackie, Lewis, and Bob. So there you go. The colon just says like they are, or here comes my list, and then I have commas after each one. Okay, cool. Let's go on to introductory phrases. So if a sentence has some sort of introductory phrase, you just need to put a comma after it. Before writing, Hosseini practiced medicine. After I do my homework, that's my introductory phrase, I am happy. This is basically a review. Let's say another one could be, when I read my book, I learn a lot. Great. Introductory phrases, you need to have a comma afterwards. Okay, and then with conjunctive adverbs, this is also a review. So if I have 2 independent clauses that are stuck together with a semicolon, like I do here, Hosseini, oops, that's a typo. Hosseini was glad to escape Afghanistan during Soviet occupation, semicolon, however, he admits that he experiences survivor's guilt. So 2 independent clauses here stuck together with a semicolon. I have a transition word or a conjunctive adverb, which is however, so I need to put a comma right after it. This again is a review of what we learned last week and the week before. If you are still confused and want more information before you move on to your practice or after your practice, which is on the back, I'm including links to 3 different videos in the description that will help you. So I have this one, which will give you more information on how to use a semicolon. This one is linked, which will give you more information on how to put commas after introductory phrases. And this one is all about using a comma in a series. So watch all three of them, watch the ones that you need to help you understand, continue to take notes, and finish up the practice on the back. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.